Friends, now once again welcome back to my channel. Now student, today we are going to solve the class 10 subject math exercise 7.2 coordinate geometry. Question number 6 are given. Now student, if you want to watch my another video, first please like and subscribe my channel. Now let's see you all. These questions are given below. Question number 6. Firstly, I read this here. Now your questions saying that now if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. Means कोई parallelograms है, एक parallelograms है. You know that what is the parallelograms? A parallelograms means opposite sides are parallel or equal. So this is the A, B, C and D. A coordinates are given below 1, 2. B coordinates are given below 4, y. C coordinates are given below x, 6 and D coordinates are given below 3, 5. Now find the value of x and y. ओके स्टूडेंट, हमें x और y की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करनी है. जैसा कि हमारा दिया है ये सब a, b, c और d की कोऑर्डिनेट्स है. यहां से मैंने ये लाइन ज्वाइन किया और यहां से मैंने ये लाइन ज्वाइन किया. इसको मैंने लिया ओरिजिन. मींस AC एंड BD आर द टू डायगोनल्स. AC और BD यहाँ पे दो डायगोनल्स हैं और मैं इसका सॉल्यूशंस करता हूं. दिस मिड पॉइंट, सो AC and is equal to BD. Student, you know that diagonals are equal. So, using midpoint formula, x1, y1, x2, y2. So, this x plus 1 by 2 comma and this 6 plus 2 by 2 is equal. Now BD, this midpoint 4 plus 3 by 2 comma and y plus 5 by 2, y plus 5 upon 2. Now comparison, so x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4, 3, 7 by 2. This cancel. X plus 1 is equal to 7. Now x is equal to 7 minus 1, so x is equal to 6. Similarly, 6 plus 2 means 8 upon 2 is equal y plus 5 upon 2. 2 to cancel out, y plus 5 is equal to 8, so y is equal to 8 minus 5, therefore y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. This is your answer. Okay student, now let's go to the next question. Now, student, after 6 questions, we are going to solve here the question number 7. Question number 7 is very important for you for the board exam. Now your questions are given below. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. Means कोई circle है, AB जो diameter है उस circle का. ये हमारा हो गया एक circle and AB is the diameter of the circle. This is the point A and this is the point B. Now this is the circle. फिर कहता है कि whose the center is 3, 2, minus 3 means this is the center, means O, 2, minus 3 are given and center, and B is 1 upon 4 means B की coordinates 1 upon 4 दी है और हमें we need to find out here coordinates of the A. तो let हमने सपोज किया A का coordinates जो है x, y है. By using midpoint formula, तो midpoint formula क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. now यहाँ पे यूज करते हैं x plus 1 by 2 कॉमन this y plus 4 by 2 means x1 y1 x2 by 2. which is the equal 2, minus 3. Now comparison, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, cross multiply x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2, x plus 1 is equal to 4, then x is equal to 4 minus 1, then x is equal to 3. Similarly, y plus 4 upon 2 is equal minus 3, y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 into 2, y plus 4 is equal minus 6, and y plus 4 is equal to minus 6 minus 4, then this y minus 10. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 10. Therefore the coordinates of the a, x comma y means a, what's value? 3 comma minus 10. Okay, this is your answer. A coordinates 3 comma minus 10. Okay. Now let's go to the another questions. Question number 8. Now student, today we are going to solve the exercise 7.2 question number 8. This is the important questions. Question number 8. First I read this question. If a and b are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 means respectively a और b के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है वो है माइनस 2 कॉमा माइनस 2 मीन्स ये लाइन सेगमेंट है, हमने लिया a और ये हो गया b, b के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए हैं गिवन दैट 2 माइनस 4, a के कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन है माइनस 2 कॉमा माइनस 2 एंड फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ p. हमें ये पॉइंट क्या है, p दिया है और p के कोऑर्डिनेट्स को हमें बताने हैं सच दैट, तो हमने इसको क्या ले लिया x, y एंड AP इज इक्वल टू 3/7 AB गिवन. P लाइज ऑन द लाइन सेगमेंट AB मीन्स P जो है AB के लाइन सेगमेंट पे लाइज कर रहा है और हमें AP और PB का रेशियो बताना है मीन्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स. सो AP is equal to 3/7 AB given. So here is the multiply then AP upon AB ratio 3/7. Now student, AP और AB का जो रेशियो है वो 3:7 है और AP और PB का जो रेशियो होगा वो क्या होगा 3:4. AP एंड AB का जो रेशियो है 3:7 गिवन. सो AP एंड PB का जो रेशियो होगा 3:4 मीन्स 3 + 4 7 होता है 3:7. सो AP एंड PB का जो रेशियो होगा 3:4 मीन्स m इज इक्वल टू 3, n इज इक्वल टू 4 बाय यूजिंग सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला हम यूज करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला x mx2 प्लस nx1 अपॉन m प्लस n. सिमिलरली y इज इक्वल टू my2 प्लस ny1 अपॉन m प्लस 1. नाउ हियर I solve. I solve here x, putting the value in this formula, m value 3, x2 means x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 means 2 plus n value 4, x1 value minus 2 upon m plus n means 3 plus 4. So 3 to the 6 plus 4 to the 8 minus 8 upon 7 means x is equal to minus 2 upon 7. Similarly put y is equal to my2 means 3 y2 x1 y1 x2 y2, y2 means minus 4 plus n value 4, y1 value minus 2, m plus n means 3 plus 4. 4 3 are 12 plus minus minus 4 2 are 8 plus minus minus upon 7 means y value minus 20 upon 7. So therefore the coordinates of point P means x comma y P x value minus 2 upon 7 y value minus 20 upon 7. This is your answer. Okay student, thank you. If you want to watch my another video, now firstly please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.